Welcome to Dr. Imran's Official. Today we talk about supraspinatus muscle, its origin and function. Supraspinatus is located deep to the trapezius muscle in the posterior scapular region, extending from the supraspinous fossa of scapula to the proximal humerus. Together with the other rotator cuff muscles, supraspinatus stabilizes the glenohumeral shoulder joint during the movements of the upper limb. The supraspinatus muscle functions to initiate abduction and depress the humeral head against the upward pull of the deltoid. The muscle and tendon travel slightly obliquely from posterior to anterior, allowing it to contribute to external